Welcome, this is Marianne Cusell. In today's video, we're going to do a really special EFT tapping round, and this is especially good for the new moon lunar eclipse. And it's for those people that are lacking a feeling of connection in their life, love in their life. Maybe you're wanting to attract more business energy, or you're just feeling tired and flat because of the circumstances that you're in. So what we're going to do is, for those that haven't experienced advanced EFT tapping, we're going to go round the meridians, just repeating after me, and then we're going to end up on the back of the hand here. We're going to do desensitizing left, right brain. We're going to hum and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I want you to ask yourself right now is, how much out of 10 do you feel lovable? I mean, really feel lovable. Because often when we're disconnected somehow or feeling tired and flat, it's because we're not getting the attention, vibrancy, money, connection, love, all of these things from outside of ourselves. Love and money have the same frequency, which is a feeling of exhilaration, right? So let's do this tapping round. I'm going to intuit some answers. I'm also going to go silent in a piece where you can add your own dialogue, and this is going to elevate your frequency. So out of 10, so you can measure it, ask yourself, how much out of 10 do I truly feel lovable in this moment? Because that's going to attract a lot of good stuff. Get your figure in your mind and let's start tapping. Even though there's a part of me, just repeat after me, that can't expect to surrender my resistance and feel totally lovable. Send that frequency out. Because I feel tired and flat. And I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though there's a part of me that can't expect to surrender my resistance and feel totally lovable. Feel it right through all my chakras. Feel it in all my cells. Feel really happy to be me. Because I feel alone. I'm not having a lot of lovable attention coming towards me. I'm not sure if I'll find the greatest love of all. And I deeply and completely accept myself. Last one, even though there's a part of me that can't expect to surrender my resistance. Now, if you feel like yawning or coughing or anything like that, it's perfect. It's moving energy. Even though there's a part of me that can't expect to surrender my resistance and feel the love vibration right through me. Because, fill in the blank. And I deeply and completely accept myself. Back of the neck. When the truth is, all I have to do is acknowledge this is a part of my wounding. This is my little self really wanting connection, love, acceptance, fun. Breathe in. And by acknowledging this, I allow the space for something to change. Eyebrows, I wonder what it might feel like if I connected into my little one and I said, I love you. I love you, 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 I love you. Just notice you're smiling right now. I wonder what it might feel like if I said love out loud 100 times, 100 times a day. I wonder what it might feel like if I just elevated my position right now into that vibration. I wonder what it might feel like to feel the vibration of love within me. I can feel it. I'm starting to feel it. Breathe into the heart chakra. Now closing your eyes, keep tapping, imagining this beautiful green chakra through your heart, going right out the back of you, right out the front of you, right out the left of you, right out the right of you. And above your head, 1 foot above your head, a beautiful golden star. Just going to ask Archangel Michael and his team to crack it open and spread the joy and elevation of love and light all through your energy bodies, all through your 7 layers of your aura. Now, under the arm, about 4 inches down from your armpit, I wonder what it might feel like if I just tuned into this frequency of love. It's safe for me to feel love. I hold the frequency. I love this frequency. Love, 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 love. I'm going to sing the love song. And I let the past be. And I let it go. And I'm free to come into the love power of me. Now breathe in. Now look straight ahead, close your eyes, open your eyes, look down to the right, look straight ahead, look down to the left, look straight ahead, big circle clockwise with the eyes, big circle anti-clockwise with the eyes. Hum, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now ask yourself, close your eyes, just notice how elevated you feel. You'll be able to feel tingles, your aura will be just light. If you need to do it again to elevate even more, if you did it 3 times, oh my goodness, you'll feel amazing. So do the work, tap, tap, tap. And I promise you, my love, much love will come to you.